Bears are large, powerful mammals belonging to the family Ursidae, known for their strength, intelligence, and adaptability to a wide range of habitats. There are 8 species of bears in the world, including the American black bear, brown bear, which includes the famous grizzly bear, polar bear, Asiatic black bear, sloth bear, sun bear, spectacled bear, and the beloved giant panda. Found across North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, bears are apex predators and omnivores that play vital roles in their ecosystems. Bears are characterized by their large bodies, thick fur, and strong, clawed feet. Depending on the species, they can range in size from the small sun bear, which weighs about 60 kilograms, 130 pounds, to the massive polar bear, which can weigh up to 700 kilograms, 1,500 pounds. Bears have short tails, small ears, and round faces with strong jaws and sharp teeth, suited for their omnivorous diets. Their powerful limbs end in long claws, which are used for digging, climbing, and capturing prey. Bears are known for their incredible strength, and even though they appear bulky, many species are quite agile. Some, like the black bear, are excellent climbers, while others, such as polar bears, are skilled swimmers. Most bear species are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet is incredibly varied and adaptable depending on the environment and season. For instance, the brown bear feeds on everything from berries, roots, and insects to fish, small mammals, and even carrion. Polar bears, on the other hand, are primarily carnivorous, with seals making up the bulk of their diet. In the wild, bears can also engage in opportunistic feeding, consuming whatever is readily available, from honey to human garbage. Some bears, like the giant panda, have specialized diets. Pandas primarily eat bamboo, although they technically belong to the carnivorous order. Many bear species, especially those living in colder climates, undergo hibernation during the winter months. This is a state of deep sleep where the bear's metabolic rate slows down significantly, allowing it to conserve energy when food is scarce. Before hibernating, bears will eat large amounts of food in the autumn to build up a thick layer of fat. While hibernating, they do not eat, drink, or expel waste. Not all bears hibernate. Polar bears, for example, remain active year-round in their icy environments, although pregnant females will create dens to give birth and stay there during the harsh winter months. Bears are generally solitary animals, but they come together during the mating season. Most species breed during the spring or summer with a delayed implantation process that allows the fertilized egg to remain dormant until the female is ready to enter hibernation. She gives birth to usually 1 to 3 cubs during the winter. Bear cubs are born blind and small, relying entirely on their mother for warmth, milk, and protection. They stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills before going off on their own. Bears are found in a wide variety of habitats, from the Arctic tundra, polar bears, to tropical rainforests, sun bears. The American black bear is highly adaptable and can be found in forests, swamps, and even near human settlements. Brown bears, including grizzlies, inhabit forests and mountain regions in North America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, relying on sea ice for hunting seals, their primary food source. Unfortunately, climate change and the melting of sea ice are putting polar bear populations at risk. Bears are mostly solitary animals, except during mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. They are territorial and will often mark their ranges by scratching trees or rubbing their scent onto objects. Bears use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with each other. Despite their solitary nature, bears show a high level of intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They have excellent memories and can remember where food sources are located. Bears are also known for being curious and will often investigate new objects or situations in their environment. While adult bears have few natural predators due to their size and strength, cubs are vulnerable to attacks by wolves, cougars, or even other bears. Human activity poses the greatest threat to bear populations. Habitat destruction, poaching, and conflicts with humans over livestock or crops have significantly impacted bear numbers in some areas. Climate change, particularly for polar bears, is a growing concern. As sea ice continues to shrink, polar bears are losing access to their primary hunting grounds, leading to food scarcity and a decline in population. Many bear species are considered vulnerable or endangered, prompting conservation efforts to protect their habitats and reduce human-bear conflicts. In some areas, efforts include setting up wildlife corridors, where bears can move freely between fragmented habitats, and implementing bear-proof garbage systems to reduce bear encroachment into human settlements. The giant panda is a success story in bear conservation. Once critically endangered, conservation efforts in China have helped increase their population in the wild, though they are still considered vulnerable. Bears are magnificent creatures, known for their incredible strength, intelligence, and adaptability. Whether it's the ferocious grizzly, the playful panda, or the majestic polar bear, these animals hold a special place in human culture and ecosystems. However, they face significant threats from human activity and climate change, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Protecting bears not only ensures the survival of these iconic animals, but also helps maintain the health and balance of the ecosystems they inhabit.